All right, let's take a look at this one together. So we're looking to figure out which expression is equal to the absolute value of 3x minus 7. You were definitely on the right track by saying that you wanted to try substituting in a value of x. So I'm going to pick up where you left off in your explanation. You said if x equals negative 3, let's see what each of these equals. So in our original expression, we have 3 times the absolute value of negative 3 minus 7. Right, so within here I get negative 9 minus 7, and I still need the absolute value of that. So that's the same as negative 16, absolute value of that. And then the absolute value of negative 16 is 16. So if x is negative 3, then our original expression simplifies to 16. So then let's do what you suggested and plug negative 3 in for those other values of x to make sure. Now there were some you ruled out right away, like e you said you knew wouldn't be right because it ended with a negative, so we can cancel that right away. You said you plugged negative 3 in for a, so if I do 3 times negative 3 minus 7, that gives me negative 9 minus 7, which is negative 16, so we know that doesn't work. Letter B, we plug negative 3 in, and I see I have 7 minus 3 times negative 3, and we want the absolute value. Within our absolute value symbols here, we still have to follow that order of operations. So this is 7 minus the product of 3 and negative 3. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. So I have 7 minus negative 9, and I still need to find the absolute value of that value. 7 minus negative 9 is the same as 7 plus 9, right? So we get 16 here. So the absolute value of 16 equals 16. We've got a match. And you could go through and try that with the rest of them to rule them out, but B is the only one that would work. Awesome job explaining what you've done so far. You were definitely on the right track. B is the correct answer, and we proved that by substituting in x equals negative 3. I should also throw in there really quickly, I just simplified C and D with negative 3 in there, and you can see C would have given us 2, D would have given us negative 2, so that also just eliminated those two. It's always best to go through and eliminate the rest of them rather than just locking on that first one.